Hello, my name is Shar, and today I'll be presenting ReadEasy, a text simplification tool. Last year, we presented ReadEasy as a standalone desktop app with not many features. We would like to thank the BWSI Create team to give us an opportunity to present how our products has evolved over the year. In May 2023, we launched a website with an enhanced set of features and a more efficient algorithm on readeasy.org. After further developments from May to December, we presented ReadEasy at an IEEE conference and gained positive feedback from many industry professionals and won an award for the best demo. Since many of our users do not have access to laptops at their but have Android phones, we decided to launch a mobile Android app to help them access our product in an easier way. Initially, our service started with 2 students, and we have gradually expanded to 20 people that give us feedback on a regular basis. Lastly, since the cost is pretty high to host websites on AWS and use OpenAI, we plan to refine our business model by adding educational ads and exploring funding. As a company, we have a well-defined mission, modifying our product on the key principles of accessibility, convenience, and efficiency. As a service which started as a tool to help students with reading disabilities and autism, accessibility is a major part of our product. We want to make sure resources become accessible through our tool and simplifying text based on the individual age and reading level of the user. We also plan to make a reading text to gauge the level of individual users like A1 or B1, as people of the same age do not necessarily have the same reading level. We also plan to modify our tool to support multiple languages in the future. The tool is based on the principles of computational logistics, applying the latest generative AI models, linguistics norms, and conventional language processing techniques to provide the best possible response in a short duration. As many of our users do not have access to laptops, we decided to make a mobile app free of cost to the user. Through our newly launched mobile app and website, our future service is always available for everyone at any time. Feel free to check it out. You must be thinking that we are very similar to ChatGPT. Well, let me tell you, we are not the same. Primarily, OpenAI creates a general simplification, but we distinguish between different reading levels, explaining each difficult term and giving them different response for each age. For example, ChatGPT will not distinguish the reading level between a 5-year-old and a 10-year-old, but we will. For example, at the end, also at the end of each response, our tool gives the definition of complex words and the explanation of any technical terms that may be hard to understand, helping users develop their knowledge base. We also employ in-depth domain-specific knowledge to identify what your text is talking about and explain it to optimize your learning experience. The difference is in the name itself, with ChatGPT being a general-purpose technology. We strive to provide users with domain-specific knowledge. Now I'll be talking about the approach we took to create our tool. Initially, a user enters the text in a threshold page. The tool iterates through all the words in the text and identifies complicated words. We identify the words by looking at the age of acquisition and comparing it to the threshold age in the input. The age of acquisition is the average age at which humans understand a word, and it is part of an open source data set which is available online. Then we use word sense disambiguation to find the definition in the context of a sentence and record the tenses of complicated words. Based on these definitions, we ask OpenAI to find a list of synonyms that may be appropriate to replace the original word in context. Based on these new sentences, we use cosine similarity to find the best word that will replace the original word in context. Cosine similarity is a natural language processing metric that allows comparison of different words. Then we fix the tenses using the original tenses recorded initially, and we output the modified text using OpenAI. This makes the approach extremely customizable, but it caters to individual needs as well. In the future, to conform to our current principles and mission, we plan to primarily make our software more convenient by an easy scan and read feature, by inserting an image to text feature where users can take pictures from their cameras or upload images to the website to obtain their simplifications. We plan to refine our business model to remove costs of OpenAI by using open source LLMs like Llama 3. Additionally, we want to add educational advertisements on our website for revenue generation and pitch to AWS as a startup for free credits and funding. Lastly, to cater to accessibility needs, reading levels may vary between different people of the same age, we want to make a reading test that will measure the fluency and proficiency of a individual, as they might be different for different people of the same age. Thank you, and we hope you check it out.